कभी बिस्किट रख देता था, कभी चॉकलेट रख, उसका 7 बैंड आया था। और एक और स्टूडेंट था, वो उसको देख के जलता था, उसको मना करता था, उसका 4 आया था। ठीक है, बाकी आप सब लोग अक्लमंद हैं। जस्ट जोकिंग। नहीं, ऐसे डराते हैं ना बाबे, ये मुर्गी देनी, एक ने नहीं दी सी उनके पुठा पै गया सी ये। अच्छा जी, नाउ वी हैव निदा कमर, राइट? और निदा माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा बोलती हैं। आपका टॉपिक नंबर है 15।
14 है वैसे।
डिस्क्राइब समथिंग दैट हेल्प्स यू कंसंट्रेट। वेरी गुड, प्लीज इनको गौर से सुनिएगा। लिसनिंग से आपकी स्पीकिंग बहुत अच्छी होती है। यस, या
Okay, in this busy, shall I start?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
In this busy and haphazard life, concentration is main thing on certain things. It should be done. It's very important. Sometimes I feel difficulty in concentrating on focusing in different matters of life. So, but therefore, thankfully these days they have started new activities like gamings, memory games, reading, walking to boost up our focus on certain things. Therefore, I've also started following some tricks to revamp my focus on certain things. For like I have started when I work alone, so I want to be isolated in a separate room so that I can disconnect myself from outer world so that I can focus on my own work. And secondly, however, while I'm doing painting, arts and craft, or I'm cooking, I like to play little music at the background so that I can concentrate my work. But I have observed this, how I've started that. I have observed different artists, especially the surgeons, when they're doing surgery in the operation theater, they play music. Initially I found very weird that why you're playing music in the theater room when a patient is so much stressed. But now eventually I have learned that why they do it. Because when I follow these tricks, it make me concentrate, it boosts up my energy, and especially it sprouts new ideas of creativity.
Right, fantastic. It makes me concentrate, it
Okay.
boosts up my energy. Otherwise it's all good. You spoke
Okay.
well. 1.5 minutes. Now we move on to speaking part 3. Just minor grammatical mistakes.
Okay.
Otherwise it's all fine. Is it important for children to learn how to concentrate?
Yes, it's my opinion also that they should concentrate on different things, especially they should make it a salient feature in their life if they want to be successful in their work as well as in their job.
All right, just try to add a little more to this answer, then it will be fine. Overall, very good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Good
you.
job.